What's up, y'all, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another video in our Full Lesson Friday series. We are going to do a 5-minute letter sound lesson with Mashira, and we are going to have a ton of fun playing with all the sounds that she's still practicing. Now, a lot of you ask, can I teach my kid to read in 5 minutes or less? The answer unequivocally is yes. You can. It's super easy, super effective. So let's jump in, and I encourage you to follow along at home so you can teach this exact same lesson to your kids too. So for today's lesson, anytime I'm working with a kid who already knows some of the sounds, I'm just gonna show all the sounds, and anything she misses is gonna be what we practice. Okay, you ready? 5 minutes?
Yes.
All right, let's go. What sound is that?
It.
Good, how about that?
I don't remember.
Ch.
J.
Okay. So if she misses it, I'm just gonna put it in a separate little pile. That would be something we practice. How about that sound? Good. Mm-hmm.
D.
Mm-hmm.
S.
Yeah.
V.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, put it in that pile.
E.
Good job, you're doing great.
T.
Yep.
X.
Yep. Yep.
K.
Good.
Z.
Good. For these sounds, I want them fast and accurate.
E.
What's that sound right there?
E.
Good.
G. O.
Good. Mm-hmm.
A.
Yep.
U.
Yep.
A.
Yep.
B.
Excellent.
Q.
Yep.
V.
Yep. And guess what? You got 23 of them. Really, really good. You've been practicing.
And then 3 of those.
3, which is exactly what we like. We love to practice 3 sounds, okay? So let's take our 3 sounds, and first we'll do just a little bit of a quick game, and then we'll do that sliding game that you love, okay?
Yes.
So quick game would be like, you take one of these, and I say the sound, and you just put it on, okay?
Okay.
Which one is g? Can you say it too?
G.
Good. Which one is yeah?
Yeah.
That one's ch. Try again. Which one is yeah?
Yeah.
Good. Which one is ch?
J.
Good. Which one is yeah?
Yeah.
And which one is j?
J.
And which one is g?
G.
Good, okay. All done with that. Now is the good part, okay? Let's mix them up. Do you want all 3 of them to slide? And all say the sound, and you've got it. Yeah, okay. You got it. You ready? How about j?
J.
Yeah.
Yeah.
G.
G.
Yeah.
Yeah.
J.
J. J.
Good. J.
J.
Good. Yeah.
Yeah.
J.
J.
Good, okay. This time, as they slide towards you, you are going to have to say the sound, and I'll move that one away, and the other one's going to keep sliding. And you got to say the next sound, move it away, and you got to say the last sound. So you got to get all 3 sounds, okay?
Okay.
You ready? All right. You can start with whichever one you want. Don't let them get to you. Ready? All right. Which one? Which one? Good. Which one do you know?
J.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And this one? J.
J.
Good. We're gonna get rid of this. What's your sound say?
G.
Good. You got it down. Let's get it out of here. 3 minutes and 4 seconds. You ready? We got 2 minutes left to get these 2 down. Do you remember this one?
Yeah.
And this one?
J.
Okay. They're coming towards you. Which one do you know?
Yeah.
Good.
J.
Good.
Yeah. J. Yeah. Yeah.
Uh-huh. Good. All done. How'd that feel for you?
Good.
Good? Do you feel like you know him? Let me show it to you real quick. What's that sound?
J.
Good. What's that sound?
Yeah.
Good. And where's my other sound? Do you just give it to me? What's that sound?
Good.
Beautiful. So one thing you did really, really good today is all 23 of those sounds you got, you were saying really, really fast. I can tell you've been working with your parents, okay? And then on the game where I had the 3 come in, you missed a couple at the beginning, and then you were super, super focused to get them at the end, okay? Next time, what we're gonna do in our lesson is we're gonna do some blending, and I'm gonna have you blend words with those sounds in it that you practiced. For example, what do you think that would be?
J.
Mm-hmm.
E. Jet.
Exactly.
Jet.
Good. So next time I'm going to do a lot of blending, okay? Good. And for the folks at home, it can be that quick, that easy, that simple. You don't have to overthink this or overcomplicate this. My best advice to you, just jump in. Find some letters. If you don't know which ones they're working on, show them all the sounds. And as soon as they've missed 3, just like I did, once they missed 3, stop. Those are the 3 you teach. Get it in, okay? Lots more tips and advice on my page if you need support. Otherwise, I hope this video was helpful. Know that you've got this, you can do it, you can do it too.